Yo man, we find it, and this place, guys, it's not the cemetery. This place, it's right here.
Hey, let's go. Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop it, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
Hi friends, hello everybody's watching this video right now. This is the Team Wider right here, and you know, right now we go into the special place, guys. 8 o'clock in the morning. I want to show you the really excited place which I was searching for the 1 month here in Carolina. So you will be really excited because for the next 40 days I will show you what you must do exactly for making money online, guys, from the $1,000 per week and more. Guys, it will be really excited. Let's go to that place as soon as possible. Right now you will discover everything.
I don't care what they all say. That's right, I'ma do this thing my way. Let's go. Been grinding hard on it all day. Okay, we work hard, then we all play. Yeah, I'm addicted to the grind, man. That's right, so I refuse to waste time, man. Yeah, one day it all will be fine, man. Let's go, gotta commit to the climb. You know we're back.
Guys, and you know, really popular question from many people. They're asking me how to start the business. What exactly we must do for begin in the BEpic, successful start in BEpic. Guys, and you know, it's really simple because you don't need even investment. And this is perfect and excited business because just imagine you don't need investment for business. All you need is just getting the product for yourself. That product which you're using every time. For example, in the supermarket, for example, just you buying some food, and our products is exactly the similar food for your brain, for your health, for your mind. Guys, this is really amazing. You get in the product for yourself, you use it, you telling the people about that, about how excited is this, and telling about the compensation plan. And of course, about that, it's really important, first of all, tell them about what they can make money with this. They can make money with our great product. They can do the business. They can do the business, and this business will bring for them freedom. Freedom, this is the number one what we need.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time.
Yo man, we find it, and this place, guys, it's not the cemetery. This place, it's right here.
I doubt myself, I I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever doubt myself. I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell. So watch me.
And finally guys, we find this place. This is that place where we'll be for the next 40 days. Guys, because workout and elevate is the two things which go in one. And this is perfect and excited things. This place guys, I was searching for the 30 days, around 1 month, and right now we find it. We will be here every single day guys. This place is the revolution. I told you guys that BEpic is the revolution, so you could see right now is here. Yeah, it's Revolution 13. Revolution 13 guys is our next destination. Next destination for the everything, for the working out, for the making money online guys, and showing the result. So guys, what I want to say, working hard, working every single day, training, doing the business, making money, and one day our success will say louder than any words. It was Team Wider. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to put the question, don't forget to put the like, and of course, don't forget to be epic, elevated. We'll see you in the next videos.
Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come.